Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many MacBook users face. Imagine this scenario. You're using your MacBook with an external display, but you don't want to waste electricity by keeping the screen on when you're just listening to music. The problem here is that putting your Mac to sleep also cuts power to your audio interface and external hard drives connected to the display hub. So, how do we solve this dilemma? In comes the solution. By using a simple shortcut, you can now make the external display sleep or dim without disrupting power to your peripherals. Just press Ctrl-Shift-Power button and voila! Your screen goes to sleep while keeping your audio interface and hard drives running smoothly. It's like hitting the snooze button on your display without disturbing the rest of the party. To sum it up, we've cracked the code on how to save energy without sacrificing the functionality of your peripherals. Next time you're vibing to your favorite tunes, remember this handy trick to dim your screen and keep the music flowing. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.